This is how you light your fireplace pilot light. If the pilot had been blown out, the fireplace would be in the on position. In order to turn it to pilot, you would reach over, push in, and rotate to pilot. Once you do that, what you'll have to do is depress the knob and hit the striker at the same time. Once you do that, the pilot light will light up underneath there. You can kind of see the blue flame. You hold this knob down for 30 seconds, and while we do that, you're allowing the thermal generator to warm up and come online. And once you've held it in long enough, you can let go and the pilot light should stay lit. On this particular model, if you let go early and the flame goes out, it will put you in lockout for about 60 seconds until you can try again. Once you're lit and it's running, turn the unit to on, and then you're ready to go, and in about 1 minute you'll be able to hit the wall switch like normal and have fire.